Welcome to CustomTentswithLogo.
This is your step-by-step setup guide for custom pop-up tents. Follow along to assemble your tent quickly and easily for your next event or trade show.
Let's get started.
Step 1. Start by opening the pop-up tent wheeled shopping case or roller bag. Carefully remove all components, including the frame, canopy top, walls, and support bars. Step 2. With two people, unfold and expand the tent frame by pulling from opposite corners. Do not fully extend it yet, just open it enough to position the canopy. Step 3. Place the custom-printed canopy top over the frame, aligning the corners. Now, gently push up the frame until it locks into place. Step 4. Adjust the leg height by pressing the buttons or sliders and lifting the frame to your desired setting. Make sure all legs are set evenly for a stable structure.
Step 5. Next, attach the back wall.
Line it up with the canopy top and secure it using the Velcro straps. Step 6. Now it's time to install the half walls. Before attaching, insert the custom-printed fabric into the support bar. Contact CustomTentswithLogo for support. Toll-free 888-647-2526. Email sales@CustomTents. Repeat this process on the opposite side if you have a second half wall. That's it. Your custom pop-up tent is now set up and ready to showcase your brand. For takedown instructions, refer to the next video or your instruction manual.